Implants for dental purposes have become an increasingly popular choice to replace missing teeth. However, many are concerned regarding their security. Are dental implants safe? In this short video, we'll explore the security of dental implants as well as answer common concerns and questions. What exactly are dental implants? Implants are made of artificial teeth that are surgically implanted into the jawbone in order to provide support for the replacement tooth. They are constructed from titanium, which is biocompatible material which fuses with jawbones to create solid foundations for the dental implants. Implants can be utilized to replace a single tooth, several teeth, or even an entire tooth arch. Are dental implants safe? Implants for dental use have been in use for a long time and boast an excellent success rate. As per the American Academy of Implant Dentistry, the success rate of dental implants is around 98%. That means the majority of patients who get dental implants have no issues and are happy with their results. One reason dentists consider dental implants to be safe is due to their biocompatibility. They are easily absorbed by the body and will not trigger adverse reactions. Furthermore, they are made to replicate the shape of natural teeth. This aids in ensuring longevity and stability. What are the dangers associated with dental implant? Although dental implants are typically secure, just like any other surgery, however, there are some risks. The potential dangers of implants for dental purposes include infection, injury to the surrounding structures or teeth, as well as nerve injury, the failure of implants. But they are extremely rare, and they can be minimized by selecting an experienced and qualified implant dentist. It is important to remember that some factors may cause more risky complications when it comes to dental implants. This includes smoking cigarettes, diabetes that is not controlled, gum disease, smoking, as well as some medical conditions or drugs. Prior to undergoing the procedure of dental implants, the dentist will assess your dental health as well as medical background to determine whether you are a good implant candidate. What can you do to ensure the security of dental implants? In order to ensure the security implanted dental devices, it is essential to select an experienced and reputable implant dentist. Find a dentist that is board certified and is well trained and experienced with implant dental. The dentist you choose should utilize high-quality dental materials and adhere to strict sterilization procedures to reduce the chance of developing infections. Prior to undergoing a dental implant procedure, be sure to talk about your concerns and questions to your dental professional. They'll provide specific information regarding the procedure, possible consequences, and risks. Also, it is important to adhere to your dentist's instructions post-operationally closely to ensure an optimal healing process and decrease the chance of developing problems. Dental implants are a secure and efficient option to replace missing teeth. With a high rate of success and very low risks, implant surgery can bring lasting benefits to your dental health as well as your quality of living. If you choose a reputable implant dentist and ensuring proper after-operative treatment, you will be able to benefit from the numerous benefits of dental implants without fear. If you are concerned regarding the security of implants for your teeth, make certain to speak with your dentist prior to undergoing the procedure.